Hello, I am Aman Ranjan. I scored rank 332 in UPSC Civil Services Exam 2022. For the essay, I joined PrashKaush sir's essay program Leap Essays, which helped me a lot in improving my essay score from the first attempt itself. This was my second mains, so it helped me a lot in improving my score to around 126. It is an above average score, I would say, because this year the essay paper was hammered in a way. And the unique program for which I joined PrashKaush sir's essays program was that it had a more personalized feedback program, and sir used to call through the Zoom call or through voice call and give me feedbacks on how to improve my essays. Somewhere I feel that this is missing in the overall big coaching industry, where a lot of students don't get that feedback which I used to receive from the sir. And also sir used to be available for any doubt clearance if I had at any time. So I had this security in my mind that somewhere someone is available for me at that time during the mains preparation, because it is a highly risky game and also it is very time taking. But having that security that sir will be available for me whenever I ask doubt used to instill a lot of security in me, and I used to feel satisfied. So this helped me score a respectable marks in my essay. Also, sir gave me feedback such as to analyze the surroundings in which I live and not focus on very big things. For example, for in starting the essays, for at the time of giving the examples, I used to give a lot of examples on, say, Indian independence or very big things happening, something in technology, in AI, machine learning. So that is not, I would not say that that is wrong, but sir used to say that think somewhat personal also, so as to have a personalized connection with the examiner. So he used to say, think about family, friends, your loved ones, and give examples related to that. So that helped me to make my essay more personalized, and I'm sure that the examiner would have loved those examples in my essay copy. So these are the things which helped me a lot in improving my essay score. And I would like to say that this essay course is very beneficial, was very beneficial for me, and will be for the future aspirants also.